In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view at the top half of your screen and clicking on it. Now you need to launch it in the background and click on the icon of an app available at the top. Wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can either drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then tap on home button, or swipe both of them in the background. You can also click on those three dots in the middle of your apps to click on swap apps and change places of them. Or if you use those apps in split screen view often, you can click on Add Combination. Then select Add Automatically in the pop-up. Exit split screen view. And to use your apps in this configuration, click on this shortcut that will appear on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!